Hello guys, today we are going to work with vocabulary. This is the last one vocabulary of this unit and the topic is time expressions. Ready? Okay guys, here we go. The first time expression is at night. Repeat with me. At night. Again, at night. The last one, at night. At night is a period of darkness in each 24 hours, the time from sunset to sunrise. At night. The next time expression is in the afternoon. Repeat with me. In the afternoon. Try again. In the afternoon. The afternoon is the period that starts at about 12 o'clock and ends when the sun goes down. Afternoon. The next time expression is in the daytime. Repeat with me. In the daytime. Again, in the daytime. The time of the day between sunrise and sunset. In the daytime. The last one is in the morning. Repeat with me. In the morning. Try again. In the morning. One more time. In the morning. In the morning is the period of time between midnight and noon, especially from sunrise to noon. In example, the owl wake up at night. The lion eat in the afternoon. The ant works in the daytime. The rooster sings in the morning. You can see the time expression. The owl wake up at night. The lions eat in the afternoon. The ant works in the daytime. The rooster sings in the morning. So now you are going to check your exercise. The exercise is the next. First, you have to check out your vocabulary notebook. After that, you have to copy each of time expression with the definition. Then you have to make a draw in each definition for illustrate. And then you have to repeat 5 times each time expression. Okay, get it? This is your exercise for today. Thank you so much and I love you. Goodbye.